The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, until 5:57 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., storm spotters were tracking a rotating funnel cloud near Clifton moving southwest at 68 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Madison, Milton, and Delavan. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.